Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Let's go, guys. Let's try to another lesson, and now we will try to make a right scenario. Yeah, right scenario. Okay, let's try. But first, I will save as the file. Yeah, save as the file. Okay, now I will delete first this, delete. Yeah, okay. With another part. Okay, now I will to make a new layer, but we create by copy this layer. Yeah, duplicate layer. Okay, ball copy, but the position on button, see, yeah, but the form looks like this. Okay, looks like this. Okay, Microsoft this, and then we invisible this layer. Okay, we want we will make a right scenario. Okay, let's try. Duplicate first, and then I move like this. Yeah, like this. Create a twin. Okay, B8. Right? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And duplicate frame again. Okay, invisible the layer ball, and then show layer ball copy. See, okay, like okay, copy again, and then I show the layer ball. Okay, you got what I mean? Okay, like this, then again. Okay, and duplicate selected frame and move the position ball to top. Okay, this, yeah, okay, 10, 11, 12, 30 on top, and between frame number 12 and 13 we create a twin animation frames. Yeah, this. Okay, let's try. If we want to play like this, okay, yeah, that's the right scenario. Yeah, top, button, shove, move to top. Yeah, okay, that's now we will see the result. File, paperwork, and device. Choose the GIF format. Yeah, GIF format, and then save choose image only. Yeah, okay, boundary. Okay, right skin. Okay, right skin. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now we try to lay out the result. Yeah. Okay. Now I stop the share screen first. Okay. Now yeah, this is the PowerPoint. Now we try to insert the result, bouncing ball with right skin. Yeah, with skin, right skin. Okay, where is the file? Nope. Oops, where's the file? Where is the file? Okay, so file, that is from wait a minute. Where is the bouncing? Oh, on bouncing. Okay. Okay. Bouncing. Yeah. Right skin. Yeah. Insert. Now, if we want to show this slide, we will see. Okay. We will see the result. Yeah. Right skin. Okay, that's our lesson today. We will see on next lesson. I will show you the most right scenario for this animation. Thank you for watching. See you on next lesson.
See you soon, Sobat Riz. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share, guys. Turn on notification.